Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. So today I have, you've already seen by the title of this video, but crazy. I hope I didn't get lipstick on my teeth. Absolutely crazy. So this birthday coming up very soon is a big one for me. And I was super looking forward to turning 30. I felt like 30s were where it was at. 20s, you're figuring it out. 30s, like you kind of have a strive. And when I was a kid, I always looked at 40 as being old. Now that I'm here, I don't feel that way. But when I was younger, I always thought like 40 was old when I was like a kid. So I've been trying to like push past that mindset. For my husband's 40th, we really did like a huge celebration. Took him to the luau at Disney with his whole family. And then we did a carnival cruise. I think I put that on the vlog channel where I shared our Carnival Sunshine cruise. We had the best time. Well, the world's a little different these days. There's no cruise happening in our future, but we are gonna stay at Disney at our home Disney Vacation Club Resort Riviera. And the only thing I wanted, the only thing, was a brand new luxury purse. Now I've bought, and I think I've shared here before, my used from Japan Louis Vuitton bags. I've bought smaller, like little SLGs, the small leather goods from Louis Vuitton that I've gotten secondhand from Japan. And they smell funny. You have to work really hard to clean at them. You can get them for a really great deal. But I just wanted something really special to feel significant and special that I'm turning 40. Like it's like a milestone. So I've been sharing on my Instagram stories some other things I've been doing to celebrate turning 40. Maybe I'll do a separate video all about that. Just some different books and journals that I've been using and doing to kind of frame my mindset into being the healthiest, mentally, emotionally, physically version of me, including reading like 3 chapters of the Bible every day. Just trying to really get into the groove. Sorry, there's like a truck going by. But anyway, I'm gonna unbox and share it with you. I am so excited and super nervous. So I'm gonna set up the camera and then we'll go check it out.
What's going on?
I'm so nervous. Look.
Ooh.
I'm like geeking out. I'm really scared. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, we got a book of fancy Louis Vuitton stuff. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. One!
Happy birthday!
I'm so glad you got here. I was gonna be opening it by myself. I wasn't gonna wait. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is probably a really expensive bill that I don't want to look at.
I'll just leave that, push it off to the side.
Oh my goodness, what is this? How does this work? Mine have always come from Japan. What do you think this is?
It's a little note.
Okay. What do you think it says?
What I told it to say.
Thank you for giving all your money to Louis Vuitton.
Nothing. They didn't write the note on it? Oh.
It's probably in that bill.
Okay. Yeah, it's on the bill. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm keeping this ribbon forever. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I feel like it's Christmas, but better. Did you hear?
There's here.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
There it is.
Alright, you go do your thing. Okay, so you get to totally see me geek out, but it's kind of a big deal to me. So let's take a closer look at the bag now that I'm not geeking out with my husband here. Okay, so here is the bag in all its glory. It's got the Pochette here and then a little bit on the end and a little bit right here. And then we've got the gold hardware. Oh my goodness. And then you push, I think only one of these moves to open. I've watched so many unboxing videos of this bag, so I feel like I already know it. It's got this gorgeous strap all the way. And then it clips and you can take this clip off too. I have a similar strap for my Pochette accessoire that I use. And then on the back is a zipper pouch that I plan to put my phone in. Oh, It's brand new, so the zipper moves so nice. And everything's lined with this soft, like velvet, like lining. It's almost like microfiber. So here's the inside, and then it's got 3 pockets. There's a slim pocket back here, a bigger pocket for the middle that I plan to put my agenda, and then the front pocket. So, oh, so excited. Okay, so now the big question is, do I wait for my actual 40th to use it, or do I use it now? I can't bring myself to use it now. Probably gonna wait for the actual birthday celebration, but then I'm only gonna be carrying this for like the rest of my life. I've seen girls share in their YouTube videos that they don't use certain pockets or don't wanna stretch it out, but I'm like, you know what? We bought this to enjoy it. I'm gonna use this my whole life and probably give it to my daughter when I die. Before I die, so I can see her enjoy it. Anyway, it was the hardest thing for my husband to get this bag. So challenging. They were selling out as soon as stores would get them, and we don't have a store local to us. So they're all like hours of driving, and they wouldn't hold them either because he doesn't have a relationship with an SA. So you have to have a relationship with an SA to get them to do things for you, like hold it or purchase it or anything like that. So he found someone who was super kind, super nice. She heard the story that he's been looking for this. This is all I wanted for my 40th. He's called 1,000 times, and I guess they keep record of the calls. And she was so kind to order it and send it, and it got here in 2 days. So now it's gonna live in this gorgeous box, or maybe the dust bag. I'm probably gonna pull it out every day and look at it until I get to use it. So anyway, thanks for watching me geek out. I know I'm ridiculous, and I know it's just a purse, but I say you do what makes you feel good, right? Turning 40, trying to make it a special celebration. Anyway, bye guys.